Okay, in this video I have a pre-made project ready for you guys to download. So let's go ahead and scroll down all the way to the end where you will see Module 13 course assignment. And down below that you'll see a reference that you guys can use. Let's say if you have a two-screen setup at home or at school, I want you to download this reference. You can also right click over and go save image as, and you would put that in the perspective viewport. And then I have this project file I want you guys to download and use. So this has all the folders. So what you're going to do is just download this, unzip it. Okay, so right click over it and go to open with Windows. Okay, if you have a Windows computer, and just copy that and paste it on your desktop, and then I'll take you through. Then watch this video that I'm going to put up, how to set up your project. Okay, all right. So that is the first part. Once you get that unzipped, then you will go to Maya, and you'll go to File, Set Project. Okay, so you put that unzipped folder, excuse me, into your hard drive or your desktop or your flash drive or your hard drive, and you'll set it. So you're going to set your project. So when you set it, you'll see something like this. Okay, you'll see something like this when you first start up Maya. You go to File, Project, Set, just like I showed you. Set your project up to wherever you place that folder. Okay, and it's called Annie 150, Module 13, 14, 15. Click on Set, and then go to File, Open Scene, and click on Start Sci-Fi Hallway and Open. Save it, changes, don't save, and there's your new file. Okay, that's how you set up your project. So that's it. So you download the file that I gave you. You'll take the file and put it on your hard drive or your desktop, on your computer, or you will go ahead and take the file and place it in on your external hard drive or your external flash drive. Those are the areas that you can place it. And then you're going to go to File, Set Project, find that folder, just click on the folder and set that project. And then everything will be just super easy. Now you'll go to File, Open Scene, you'll find the file and open it. That's it. And your scene is ready to go to get started. The videos prior to this, the next videos will be setting up your project, setting up your reference images. I've already got this set up to use as your reference. They're really easy, and when you go into the front view, everything's set up. And the grids are, you got two grids between some of these. Like the first one is just one grid wide. This one's two grids wide. This one's 1, 2, 3, 4 grids wide. This one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grids wide. I did this. I actually gave this to you because when I do my my lecture demonstration in the classroom this week, I'm going to be using this. Okay, I've got my own way of instructing. My videos are different. Those are older videos. And so obviously those of you that want to continue working with my videos, that are okay with those videos, please work with those. They're long, but they're complete. So just take your time with them, take breaks from them, you know, that kind of thing. That's how you watch them. Pause them when you want to take a break. Some of you guys are really good at just, taking and speeding them up and not even listening to them and watching me model. And that's another way of watching those videos, speed them up by 2 times. A lot of this stuff you guys know how to do already. Some of you are comfortable by just looking at the reference and creating that stuff yourself, because you can see what I've done in those videos. You can see how I structured everything. You can look at what I've done here. I've got that reference there for you guys. So just to let you kind of highlight what you're going to be doing, you're going to be creating these 1, 2, 3, 4 sidewalls first, okay? And then in the videos, I either do the ceiling, tiles, so these are all separate pieces. So to kind of give you an idea what everything looks like during the process, I'll go ahead and open up a scene that I've got done. So I'm gonna set up a different project here real quick that I've already done all this work. Open scenes. Let's do this one here. There we go. Okay, so these are the pieces, and they're separated. So the walls, once you get the 4 walls done, then I'll go ahead and select these guys here if I can, and deselect this one, and just move this up. And you guys can see that those are separate pieces, and the lower pieces are separate. They're all modeled separately, and this is called modularity. You see, so this modularity makes it easy to put things together. And this is what basically the last part of learning how to do game assets. So you can place them in Unity or Unreal, because they're following grid spacing, and it's going to be easy to snap things together. So when everything's finished, it'll be easy just to snap them back up and snap them around, and they're just like puzzle pieces, or basically the better thing is like Lego pieces, putting them together. All right, so what I did to make these, create my own, because you'll be creating your own, because you'll create these 4 pieces here, the 4 pieces on the floor and the 4 pieces on the top. You'll be creating this piece and this piece. Okay, so that's how this is all going to work together. Now the doors by itself, I consider this one piece, even though it has a door frame, but we want to keep these 2 pieces separate right now, but they're considered one piece. Okay, so the total will be 15 altogether. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 2 pieces you're doing on your own. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces that you'll be modeling. Okay, all right, so anyway, that's it, and follow the videos, or I will see you in class and we'll go through the whole modeling process in class. Either way, I'm expecting to hopefully get through all this stuff. If you get a good start on it on your own, that makes my life a lot easier, obviously. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing, and I look forward to seeing you guys. And again, I will see you in class on Wednesday, and bright and early, 9 o'clock. So be there, and I'm going to be starting to model right away. Get your discussions done before class starts, because I don't know if I'm going to have time to go through that. Anyway, that's it. That's what we're going to do. And with the as far as the what you turn in, again, you guys know how to do all this stuff, so scroll down. There's a lot of videos. Again, some of these I warned you in here. Some of these videos are very long, so break them up in pieces. I have my reference up there. I kind of take you through that. if you don't know how to put a reference in. That's basically can be put in your perspective view if you want to, or create a plane and throw it on a plane if you want to, like a texture or something, and place it anywhere you want to. Anyway, the idea is just you can see the process that I'm taking here to create the pieces from looking at a reference image. So they are longer. The videos are longer because of that. And in class, I compress everything into just technical aspects of modeling and what tools to use, and following something I've already got finished, which is that piece that you're seeing here. So you can see that to make things streamlined and easier, I got to set my project to something different, to this one here, and I can go and open that piece up that you guys are going to be following or using in the classroom. So this takes everything out. So basically you get to see all that. So if you go into show and I go to viewport and turn off my grid, okay, so show viewport and turn that off, then you can see exactly how I modeled this. Okay, all right. And again, you know, waiting for class is fine. Some of you rather not watch the videos, which is fine, but that just, you know, if I don't get through everything in the classroom, you're kind of stuck. But those videos are there for you, and it would be great if you guys started those. And you can put the original image in that I have with my videos into the side view. So go to the side view and go to view, image plane, import image, and click on the original reference that I have with my videos. Click open, and then go ahead and go out and scale this up and move it way over to the side and maybe over this way like that. And just so you can reference that, of course I would want to rotate that. That doesn't look like it's facing the right direction, so I'm going to rotate it into, let's see here, I don't know if this is, it's letting me see this rotate the plane. Let me go into Control A for attributes and see if I can see the rotational value on here. It doesn't show rotational value at all in the references here, so I'm just going to have to guesstimate, and that looks just fine. Doesn't have to be perfectly rotated in 90 degrees or anything like that. In fact, it's probably good to just kind of have it floating there. Just click off, actually create a new layer for it. I'll just call this original reference. We want to keep these separate. There we go. All right. Doesn't like the spacing in there. Here we go. And we can just go ahead and click on R to reference that layer. There we go. So that can be there for us when we're modeling and texturing and whatever we need. Okay. All right. That's how you get everything in there. And of course you can turn that off and on anytime you want. And everything's in a layer. Now everything's ready to go for you to watch the videos too as well. You can, again, just make sure you turn the reference off if you want to move that a little bit closer like that or something like that. Whatever you want to do. Whatever works best. Okay? All right, great. And we'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and start watching the original videos I have. So any questions you may have, I'll see you guys in class on Wednesday. I'll see you there.